Strider.
You've arrived. Come closer. Can you smell? Something must have happened in I imagine there will be slime. Oh yes. It is going to... Oh! It's a pity that the Temple of the Wolf... Let's head in. No one makes offerings to the Four Winds anymore. We need to clear out the temples. Let me show you how the Knights of Favonius conquer.
What's the hurry?
If I'm not mistaken, the end of the temple should be up there.
Wait. How do you know?
Experience. The kind of experience you get after years of dealing with things like this with others. Traveler, unless I'm mistaken, you don't seem to have a vision. So how exactly is it that you're able to channel elemental energy?
It was a very strange occurrence.
Dodge this!
we're here.
Seems the path ends here. Let's use the wind currents to fly up.
Windblade! Water! We can use this to put out fire!
Good idea. That's some keen observation. We should get Jean to give you a title and make you a knight.
Windblade!
Dodge this! Speaking of, did you know? Storm Terror was once one of the 4 winds. I'm not aware of the exact details. If you're interested, you can ask the acting Grand Master about it.
Is that the thing that Storm Terror is using to gain its power?
Seems probable. Let's deal with it. Bravo! You are, to my surprise, a well-trained knight. The battles you just fought were sights to behold. I see you stories of your heroic deeds to save monsters. Please do visit me at our headquarters. I also know a lovely tavern. Quite rewarding, no?
We've seized another temple from Storm Terror's grasp!
I can take care of the rest here. You go take care of other things while I'm at it.
See you later then, bye-bye!
There's no way hilly turtles organized an ambush like this themselves. Not with their limited mental capacity. Thus you were behind this.
Knights of Favonius, always so inefficient.
Agree to disagree, but your involvement in this just made things a whole lot more interesting. KAEYA, Knight of Favonius.